Now I should add that while looking for the knives for this series, I wasn't even looking for the knives. I was looking for the blades. But I found knives while I was looking for the blades. And last year, when I tried to use that Cobalt knife, utility knife, when I was going to use it, and I was like, oh, I need a new blade on this. I looked for new blades. I looked everywhere. I spent probably an hour and a half right here in this chair, looking right in this area. I had a few more boxes here and a whole bunch of extra tools here that I've since moved over to different places for different functions. But I didn't see them. Today, search the garage, search the car, search everywhere I lay tools, which is the shelving unit on the back porch. I had a couple tools on top of the well, in the restroom because I was doing some work there a while back. Left a few tools, not gonna lie. Checked another shelving unit down here, which I like to lay some of my tools on that I'm going to be using soon. If I run into something, I'm like, oh yeah, I can put it on that shelf there so that I can remember that I have a use for that coming up. That way I can find it pretty quick. Like right now, my driver is in the living room on a stand, so I need to go get that. But anyway, looked everywhere. Even searched this area. Gave up on looking for it to start recording. And I look down, and I'm like, holy crap! That is my stupid blades I've been looking for. And in the process, I lost my phone 3 times. I had to go find my phone. If you set it down somewhere, just walk away. It's like, where did I leave it? And 2 times it was right there on my desk, where I usually leave it when I'm sitting there working on stuff. So. Not a place I should lose my phone. I should know exactly where to go. I mean, I sat down there, looked, and I didn't see it. It is what it is.